Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So, what we're going to be unboxing is ColourPop. So this is ColourPop. I have a bag. We're going to open it. I'm going to open it like this. Woo! Oh. Oh my gosh. Let's take the products out. Look at all this stuff. Ooh, I caught it in one hand. Oh, one-handed. Alright, so we're going to put that down for now. And what else is in here? They have a ColourPop. You're looking fabulous. Fabulous. I guess it's for like Halloween stuff. So they got that. And this is a packing slip. Alright, so it tells me what I got. I got 7 items from ColourPop. So I got the Ultra Matte Lip in the color of Times Square. Then I had gotten the Ultra Satin Lip in the color of Point Zero. Then I got the Lippy Stick in the color of Daydream. And another Lippy Stick. Primer. Oh yeah, I got the primer. So what the primer does is it makes the lipstick or the, you know, whatever you put on your lips, make it more, it stays longer and it hides the creases or whatever. I don't know. I was looking at the reviews. Then I got the 2 lippy pencils, one in the color of Blue Marie and the other one in the color of Toy. And then I got a eyeliner because I needed to add a couple more dollars. And I wanted to get the brow pencil, but if I didn't, I'll get some next time. So I did my makeup today. I basically did my makeup, everything except for my eyeliner because I wanted to try this new eyeliner on here. And I didn't put my mascara because I like to put my eyeliner first, then the mascara afterwards. And I'm not putting eyelashes because I don't have any glue. And I kind of don't like eyelashes. It bothers me, but I would put it because it looks nice. So let me tell you about these bangs right here. I had just did a bang cutting video and I had just fixed it. I didn't do a video on fixing it, but if you want to check out my bang review, if you want to check out my bang video, me cutting my bangs like this, my new style, then I will put the link down in this description below. I'm getting better and better at my makeup. I've been practicing. So, without further ado, let's do this. Let's check this out. So this is the liquid lipstick. So I got 2 liquid lipsticks. The Ultra Matte and the Satin. And then these are the lippy sticks. One is the primer. I'm gonna use the primer before. You know what? I don't know what I want to use first. I don't know what I want to use first. Obviously, I'm not gonna keep on putting on and off these things, so I'm gonna have to pick one. Let me check out the lip pencils. So here's the boxes for the lip pencils, obviously. And these are the colors. These are the colors. If you can see, let's check it out. Can you see like this? Like this. Anyways, one is Toy and the other one is Blue Marie. I want to do the Blue Marie because this is more lighter. I want to go for like a nice color. This is the Lippy Stick Primer. Oops, right. Alright, this is the Lippy Stick Primer. Looks like this. And this was really interesting to me. Oh! Oh, what was that? No. Guys, that's so annoying. The Lippy Stick Primer broke. The tip broke a little bit. Yo, you know I'm gonna find that tip of it and attach it back and use it because I'm not wasting that. So it comes like this. I don't know what happened. Like a little tippy top broke. I don't even know if it was my fault. It could have been my fault. Whatever. I don't have time for that. So this is what the Lippy Stick Primer looks like. It's clear, and it helps the lipstick go on better. And this is the Lippy Stick I got. This is Daydream. I think I'm going to use the Lippy Stick first. And I'm going to do some swatches at the end for you. I don't know if these colors match. These colors pretty much match, right? The Daydream and Lumerie. See? Let me open the other ones just because I want to see which one matches my lip pencil better. This is pretty much would match Toy. This is the 0.0. And this is Times Square. Times Square matches Lumerie pretty good. See? Does Daydream match better? I want to try the lippy stick. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to put the primer on. I'm going to put the primer on. I have a mirror in front of me. To me, it's just like a chapstick for some weird reason. Alright, so I put the primer on. Feels like chapstick. Like a sticky chapstick. Now I'm going to do my lip liner. I don't really put on makeup, so like bear with me, I'm not a professional. Alright. So that was the Lumerie. This is Daydream Matte. See, that's exactly what I did with the lippy pencil, and it's just the tip snapped off. Everything's not going right. This does not match. This does not match at all. So update, I'm getting a new camera in a couple of weeks. I'm gonna get the Canon, I have the Samsung EKG or whatever. Not EKG, I think EKG, but I'm gonna be getting the Canon Rebel. So I have better video quality, but I gotta deal with this for now while I upload these last couple of videos to like a video. I like this color. Do you like this color? I love it. Let's take these glasses off. And I'm going to put this eyeliner on. I can't see for nothing. Oh my gosh. I gotta like move closer. I don't feel like I'm blind. Ooh. I'm busy. I gotta go super in close to this mirror. So I want the camera to see as well. Alright, that's it. So, boom, boom, boom. Wait, I forgot my mascara. I gotta go up. Whatever, that's it. That's enough. Alright guys, here's the swatches. This is the Times Square. This is the Times Square. What do I do it on my wrist or I'm gonna do it on my hand? So this is Times Square. Ooh. This is the This is the Ultra Matte. Alright. And this is the 0.0. This is pretty brown. The other one's Ooh, I should have did 0.0. Ooh, this is the Ultra Satin. That looks nice. That looks nice. All right. And obviously this is the one I use, Daydream. Whatever, what is that? Daydream. This is the lippy stick. Okay, that's pretty nice. I should have used the other one though. And this is the primer, which is 0 color. And this is the Lumerie. This is the lippy stick. This is the lippy stick. Lumerie. And this is the lippy stick in Toy. Oh, wow. This is crazy. It looks more... See, so this is the swatches. There we go. I really, really like the 0.0. That's my favorite out of all of them. Out of all of these, which is your favorite? Do you like the 0.0, Daydream, or... What is that other one? Times Square. Times Square is here. 0.0 or Daydream. Which one do you like? Let me know down in the comments below. I'm curious. But I like 0.0 the best. But I use Daydream. This like is a tint of red, and this is like a tint of pink or mauve or whatever that color is. And I don't think I match these lip liners properly. But like I said, if you blend it in, it can work. Whatever. I'm no professional. It's not gonna matter. So there you go. Please be my friend and subscribe. I will appreciate it so, so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.